So today in this video we are going to do the unboxing of Signia Styletto AX model. The AX comes in this kind of small packaging which is imported directly from Singapore. This packaging is not made in India. When we open the outer packaging, we get a hard case packaging inside, which is very beautiful, and the hearing aid inside is very stylish. As we open the box, we get to the safety manual, which is a generic manual for all the hearing aid kept inside the box. Apart from the safety manual, we do have the warranty card. The Signia Styletto AX 7, 5 and 3 series comes with a 4 years of warranty, which is mentioned here on this card. And it also comes with a premium care, which means the device is protected against all the lost cover, burglary and robbery cover, water or liquid damage, theft cover and fire cover. So the company gives protection from all these kind of problems. Now here you would see the beautiful packaging in which the hearing aid is packed. This box is also the power bank for the hearing device. As you open this box, you would see the hearing aids which is kept inside. Now the receivers are not pre-connected to the hearing aid. The receivers are selected as per the hearing loss, and it just fits with a click here. The receivers are then connected to these domes as per the ear size. So if the ear canal is thin, we choose a smaller ear dome, whereas for large ears, we would choose a bigger ear dome so that it fits properly into the ear canal. Now this is how both the receivers are connected into the device, and the domes are connected onto the receivers. You can place the devices inside the charging case. As the device is kept inside the charging case, the device gets switched off automatically and it starts charging. This one box can charge the device 4 times. So in case if you have charged the box fully, you can go out for 3-4 days without any need to charge it further. So let's say if you are a trekker or if you are a mountaineer, you go on a mountain where the electricity is not there, you can still go with this device for 4 to 5 days without the need to charge it further. The device also comes with a charger which is provided from Signia, as well as a cleaning tool. You can use these brushes, these hard bristles, to clear the wax from the hearing aid and clean it properly. And apart from that, you do have a charger, a wire and an adapter which you would need to charge the device. So this is how the Signia Styletto is beautifully packed. And yes, this is the most preferred hearing aid because it is one of the most stylish device available in the market. It is very slim and invisible at the same time. This is how a Signia Styletto is packed and ready to go. If you want trial with any of these devices, do write us in the comment section. Like and subscribe our channel. अब सब सुनेंगे।